Welcome, fellow travelers. Right now, you can upgrade your vacation adventure with a helicopter tour flight over spectacular Hoover Dam and more. Book your flight now, and soon you'll see it all from above.
You just have to.
The legendary Hoover Dam, one of the largest man-made projects in the world.
The perspective was just incredible.
And the new towering bypass bridge right beside it. See the beautiful Lake Mead, the mighty Colorado River, and historic Boulder City. To fully appreciate these dramatic sights, you should see them from above.
I thought it was fantastic.
Seize this once-in-a-lifetime moment and see for yourself just how amazing these sights are. Upgrade your adventure flight to above it all. Add a helicopter flight over the famous Hoover Dam today.
It was an experience I'll never forget.